sorry, but you just cannot convince me that there is a better makeup look than date night makeup. I'm telling you, the natural looking skin, the focus being on the sultry, sexy eyes, this will make you feel so confident. My skin has been the actual worst this winter because it's been super dry, but then it also gets oily throughout the day. This is normally my skin type, but this winter, like, it has been so dry. I'm just really going to moisturize. I'm using the Rhode Glazing Milk. For an extra step of hydration, I'm gonna spray the rose milk. This is from Polite Society. Okay, I'm gonna start with foundation. I have literally been obsessed with Il Makiage. What I do is I spread it out on my hand first. Also, another scratch from Quinn. I just alternate scratches from Quinn and Darla now, and they're just always on my face. And then I'm gonna go in with my sponge, and I'm just gonna start tapping. Gives like the most perfect finish, the perfect amount of coverage. Also, I don't think that this is my shade, but mind your business because I'm wearing a turtleneck tonight. For contour, I'm using Rare Beauty, but I'm gonna put it on my hand first. This makes it so much easier to blend out and gives you a really beautiful natural finish. So I'm just placing it in all of the spots that I contour in. Now with this Hourglass number 3 brush, I'm just going to contour my nose with this. This is kind of a weird thing that I do, but with that concealer brush, I'm gonna just tap this into my hairline so I don't have a weird line for my foundation and contour. I feel like this Patrick Top blush is perfect for date night as she goes to the gym. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat the brush, put it on the back of my hand first, so that the pigment isn't too much. Then I'm just going to tap on the cheeks. Make sure this is all cohesive. I'm gonna tap a little bit on the nose and then just a tiny bit on the forehead. With 30s approaching, I've actually kind of switched up how I do my concealer and I have been loving it. I've just been using a really small amount. This is the NARS Pot Concealer. What I do is I focus it in this area because I have some discoloration and I kind of just like blend that out. What I'm gonna do is I'm taking the back of that sponge and with what's left on it, just lightly tapping over everything. For powder, I've been religiously using the one size powder. I've been traveling so much, so I've just been using the little mini. What I do is I just tap that underneath the eye. I'm just gonna switch to this dense brush. And with the Charlotte Tilbury powder, I'm now just going to press this all over everything. You can still see the scratch on my face, but honestly, I just like don't really care. I like that you can still see my skin. Now we're gonna spray again. Go in with Rare Beauty Transcend. This is the most beautiful highlight. This on the cheek. Okay, that spray makes your skin look literally unreal. Since the eyeliner is the main star here, I'm just gonna use bronzer as eyeshadow. And we are going to put that on the lower lash line. I can't stop doing the Nina Park eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking Huda Beauty on eyeliner, going in the inner corner. A little bit just right here. This is the Dose of Colors liquid eyeliner. What I've been doing is I've just been stamping the outer edge of the eye, trying to get it super close. Lash line, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like the tiniest wing, just like this. Now just giving my lashes a curl. I love brown mascara for date night. It looks so good in person. This is the Tube Job mascara from Urban Decay in shade brown. I usually don't wear bottom mascara, but I'm feeling it tonight, so I'm gonna put a little bit. This is a lip combo that I've genuinely been hyperfixating on the past couple weeks. Starts with Endless Cacao. Now MAC Honey Love. This is a secret weapon. Penitent. I hadn't used this in so long, and then I added it to this lip combo one day, and I've been obsessed. Like the most perfect pouty lip combo. Now that the look is done and I can see what needs some tweaking, I'm gonna add some more eyeliner. You guys, here is the final Glam. I'm obsessed with this makeup. It's just so wearable. Let me know what you guys think of the makeup and if you try this routine out.